Good morning. Today I will take chapter number 5, The Crowded Home, and it is page number 35. Two characters are mentioned here. The first one is Nasruddin and his neighbor. His neighbor came to Nasruddin and he asked a solution about his trouble. What his trouble was that his house is completely packed, and the members who used to live in his family was his wife, three kids, and his mother-in-law, and they all share their small cottage, and that is why they have a lots of a problem to share together. What he should do, he came Nasruddin and asked about his problem. What did the Nasruddin suggest to him? We will just go further. Yes, replied Nasruddin. Do you have any hens in your yard? He asked him that do you have any hen? He told that yes, I have a what? How many hens? 10 hens. Put them in the house. What is this? There was no space for the members who were already living in the house, and then he suggested that to put that 10 houses, 10 hens in that house. But a mullah, the man remarked, our houses are already cramped. There is no space. Not a single person can share that house, and that is what the problem I want to solve, and that is why I came here. He told, please follow my solution, and what the input comes, try to wait and watch that. What happened? Nasruddin's advice and paid him another visit to the next day. He put all the 10 hens in that house, and then he came there. Mullah, he said, things are even worse now. He told that your suggestion made my house what? Worse. Now it is unable to manage with the 10 hands. So your suggestion is not good. He did not like his Nasruddin's suggestion. Mullah Nasruddin paid no heed. He paid no attention towards what he said to him. But he gave him the another. What was that another suggestion? He just smiled and he told, do you have any cows? The man looked puzzled, but he replied, he was confused now that what to do and what not to do. He told, yes, I have two cows. He told, put them inside the house now. Oh, it is really a very funny one. The man thought that. First you told to mention the hens, and now you are suggesting that put that two cows in that house. It will be a very difficult task for us. The next day the neighbor came again. What? Lamenting and crying. He was really crying there. It was really a very great problem for them. Whatever they were managing, it was going the hell. This problem had become the worst. Why it was worse? Because now hens are there, cows are there, and all the family members were there. However, Mullah looked at him with a smile and said, I know you have a donkey too. He asked him, do you have the donkey now? Yes, I have a donkey also. So, put that donkey in that house also. Now, you can just imagine what a great problem it was going to be created by the donkey in the house. Thank you. We will continue the story